Milk alternatives are now well-established parts of the liquid landscape, and many non-dairy milk enthusiasts are on the hunt for the best nut milk makers so they can whip up their own at home. There are many nut milk makers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best nut milk makers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The ChefWave Nut Milk Maker. The ChefWave Nut Milk Maker is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed for those seeking to create their plant-based milk alternatives at home. With 6 one-touch preset programs, this machine effortlessly produces a variety of non-dairy milks. One of the standout features of this milk maker is its focus on health benefits. The device employs pressurized steam, heat, and blend technology to eliminate enzyme inhibitors in raw ingredients, ensuring safe consumption while preserving vital nutrients. This process results in milk that's rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, all while remaining naturally lactose-free. Convenience is at the forefront of ChefWave's design. With no prep work required and an auto-clean function, the machine minimizes time and effort. The delay start option and included glass pitcher for storage further enhance its user-friendly nature. The adjustable brew capacity, offering both 10 ounces and 20 ounces batch sizes, caters to varying needs. Number 2. Almond Cow Nut Milk Maker. The Almond Cow presents itself as a versatile and efficient plant-based milk maker, boasting a sleek stainless steel design and the ability to produce smooth, creamy milk in just 15 seconds without heat. However, this machine comes with some notable drawbacks that may give potential buyers pause. One of the main concerns is the significant amount of leftover pulp produced during the milk-making process. While the company suggests repurposing this pulp as a topping for oatmeal or cereal, it ultimately represents a considerable waste of expensive nuts. This inefficiency is particularly glaring when compared to other machines that extract more milk from the same amount of ingredients. The cleaning process for the Almond Cow is also somewhat cumbersome. With multiple parts and components to wash and dry, it falls short of the convenience offered by self-cleaning models like the ChefWave. Number 3. Tribus Nut Milk Maker. Make fresh soy milk and a variety of other delicious recipes in your kitchen with the Tribus Soyabella. This soy milk maker machine makes delicious nut and seed milk in less than 1 minute and soy milk, rice milk, and milk from other beans in as little as 15 minutes. Make delicious pureed soups and porridges like split pea soup, butternut squash soup, and rice porridge with this multi-purpose electric appliance. It can even grind coffee beans and other dry ingredients with its convenient milling accessories. It is extremely convenient with different program settings that allow you to easily control temperature and grinding time with a single touch, featuring multiple attachments that allow you to create a cornucopia of recipes without difficult cleaning. Unlike other soy milk makers, Soyabella does not have an exposed heating coil but instead features a safely hidden heating element inside its stainless steel boiling chamber, offering easier cleanup and added safety. Number 4. Nutor Automatic Milk Machine. The Nutor Automatic Milk Machine is a game-changer for those seeking an effortless way to create plant-based milk at home. This versatile device can produce a variety of non-dairy alternatives, including almond, soy, and oat milk, with just a quarter cup of ingredients. Its compact 3.5 cup capacity is perfect for daily use, ensuring fresh milk whenever you need it. One of the standout features of this machine is its user-friendly design. The included quick starter guide and downloadable recipe book make it easy for beginners to get started. The 12-hour timer is particularly convenient, allowing you to prepare your ingredients before bed and wake up to freshly made plant milk. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the one-button self-cleaning feature, which can be enhanced with a few drops of dish soap if needed. The included accessories, such as the stainless steel strainer and see-through lid, add to the overall functionality of the device. Number 5. Archmira Automatic Nut Milk Maker. The Archmira Automatic Nut Milk Maker is a versatile and efficient appliance for those looking to create their own plant-based milk alternatives. With a generous 20 ounces capacity, this machine can quickly produce a variety of dairy-free beverages from nuts, seeds, grains, and beans, offering an eco-friendly alternative to store-bought cartons. One of the standout features of the Archmira is its one-touch automatic programming. The device offers multiple temperature settings to suit different milk types, from room temperature for almond milk to hot for soy and rice milk. The inclusion of a delay start function of up to 18 hours and a keep warm option for up to 6 hours adds convenience to your daily routine. The machine's blending capabilities are impressive, featuring a unique 6-blade system with 2 specialized shark blades for optimal nutrient extraction. The built-in quadrilateral stirring column ensures thorough mixing, resulting in consistently smooth beverages. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.